Hi, this is Dell 3524 here, and we're going to be replacing the RAM on the Dell Latitude D800. So I have my RAM stick here. It is DDR RAM, 256 megs. That will put a total of 512 in this. So what you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and what you're going to want to do is find this on the back. This is the port where the RAM sticks are. So just unscrew that with the screwdriver until it pops up, and then it's gonna look. It should look like this. After you're gonna do that, you're gonna grab your RAM, and you can probably see right here there is a it'll focus in. There is a little. There it goes. Space missing. You're gonna line that up with the pin right there. That will secure it in. So what you want to do is just line it up with that, and then push the two fingers down until it clicks in. And that is how to upgrade and replace the RAM. It'll pop up on the BIOS saying that you have a different memory amount, or memory has changed. All you'll have to do is click F1 when that is available. And that is upgrading and replacing the RAM in the D800. Any comments, questions below?